When it comes to precision and power, a portable butane torch is an essential tool. The best portable butane torch offers ease of use, reliability, and exceptional heat output for various tasks. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this versatile tool can handle it all with ease. Number 1. Ravs Butane Torch Lighter. The Ravs Butane Torch Lighter is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications, including gourmet cooking, small welding tasks, and even arts and crafts. Unlike plastic torches, this model is constructed from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and a solid grip. Its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, allowing for precise control. One of its standout features is the dual flame mode, allowing users to switch between soft and intense flames depending on their needs. The maximum temperature of 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit ensures rapid heating, making it an excellent choice for tasks that require high heat. The flame adjustment knob provides precise control over the flame size, ensuring optimal performance for different applications. The Pieto press ignition allows for instant startup with one-handed operation, making it incredibly user-friendly. Additionally, the wide copper base ensures stability and prevents tipping. Refilling is quick and simple, requiring only 15 seconds for a full refill. It is essential to use high-quality butane to maintain efficiency and longevity. Number 2. Sondiko Torch Lighter with Butane. The Sondiko Torch Lighter with Butane is a user-friendly and highly efficient kitchen torch designed to enhance your culinary experience. Unlike many other torches, this one comes pre-filled with 175 milliliters, 5.02 ounces of butane, eliminating the hassle of finding the right fuel. Its effortless refill system ensures quick and easy recharging, saving you time and effort. Safety is a top priority, and this model includes a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, a broad base for stability, and a burn-free finger guard for added protection. The long-angled nozzle keeps your hand safely away from the flame, ensuring ease of use. Featuring Pieto ignition technology, this torch allows for operation at any angle, even upside down. The adjustable flame regulator gives you full control over flame intensity, with temperatures reaching up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Its continuous flame mode allows for hands-free use by locking the flame in place, making it highly convenient for extended tasks. This versatile tool is ideal for caramelizing sugar on crème brûlée, searing meats, melting cheese, toasting breadcrumbs, and much more. Beyond cooking, it can be used for lighting fireplaces, candles, and even for artistic and DIY projects. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it a reliable companion for home chefs and professionals alike. Number 3. Propane Torch Head Torch Lighter. The Propane Torch Head Torch Lighter is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both culinary and industrial applications. Whether you need it for cooking, welding, or crafting, this torch delivers reliable performance with its adjustable fuel control and continuous flame mode. Users can easily adjust the flame size with the regulator, ensuring precise heat control for every task. The one-touch igniter button provides instant ignition, allowing for a steady and consistent flame. This torch stands out with its ability to reach high temperatures of up to 1,800 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most powerful torches on the market. Its robust design ensures long-lasting durability and efficient operation. Compatible with various propane canisters, including MAP, MAP Pro, and CGA 600, this torch is incredibly versatile and easy to use. The latest Sondiko Sous Vide torch technology enhances its performance, making it perfect for caramelizing sugar, searing steaks, roasting peppers, and glazing hams. Beyond the kitchen, it is ideal for lighting fireplaces, candles, and even for hobby projects such as jewelry making and welding. The ergonomic grip and sturdy construction ensure comfort and safety during use. With its high heat output, precise control, and wide compatibility, the Propane Torch Head Torch Lighter is a reliable tool for professionals and home users alike. Whether you're a chef, a DIY enthusiast, or a camper, this torch provides exceptional performance and convenience for various heating needs. Number 4. Butane torch with fuel gauge. The butane torch with fuel gauge is a highly efficient and user-friendly tool, perfect for both kitchen and DIY applications. One of its standout features is its effortless one-handed operation. The flame regulator and lock button are conveniently placed for easy adjustment, allowing users to control and lock the flame with just a thumb. The built-in transparent fuel gauge at the bottom of the torch allows for precise monitoring of butane levels, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. The max line prevents overfilling, adding an extra layer of safety. Each full refill provides 20-50 minutes of continuous use, making it an efficient and long-lasting option. This torch is designed to be compatible with all small butane tanks, regardless of nozzle type. It includes a red adapter to extend shorter nozzles, making refilling a breeze. The adjustable flame control ensures precision, reaching high temperatures ideal for sous vide cooking, searing meats, caramelizing sugar, and other culinary applications. Beyond the kitchen, it is also suitable for crafting, jewelry making, soldering, and camping. With its durable aluminum construction and user-friendly design, the butane torch with fuel gauge provides exceptional convenience and reliability. Whether you're a professional chef or a DIY enthusiast, this torch is a must-have for various heating tasks, ensuring optimal performance with every use. Number 5. Chef Master Butane Torch Lighter. The Chef Master Butane Torch Lighter is a premium quality, high-performance kitchen torch designed for both professional chefs and home cooks. Crafted with precision and reliability in mind, this versatile tool allows users to caramelize sugar, brown meringues, sear meats, and perfect delicate sugar designs effortlessly. With an impressive heat output of 4,220 BTUs and a maximum flame temperature of 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit, this torch delivers powerful and consistent results. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the easy-to-use trigger mechanism provides instant ignition. The torch is not just limited to culinary applications, it is also perfect for lighting fireplaces, candles, cigars, and even for DIY projects like jewelry making and welding. Its long-lasting fuel capacity allows it to burn for up to 3 hours on an 8-ounce canister, making it highly efficient. The continuous flame mode enables hands-free operation, while the precise flame adjustment ensures versatility for various tasks. Whether used for professional culinary creations or everyday household applications, the Chef Master Butane Torch Lighter is a durable and reliable choice. Its high-quality construction and impressive performance make it a must-have tool for chefs, crafters, and outdoor enthusiasts. If you're looking for a torch that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, this model is an excellent investment for any kitchen or workshop. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.